Welcome to my class on EEG. This is a presentation by K. Beulah Suganti, Associate Professor, ECE, TPGIT. Electroencephalogram. Electroencephalogram or EEG is the recorded representation of bioelectric potentials generated by the neuronal activity of the brain. It has a very complex pattern and more difficult to recognize than ECG. It is measured at the surface of the skull. It represents the combined effect of potentials from a wide region of the cerebral cortex and from various points beneath. EEG potentials have random appearing waveforms with peak-to-peak amplitudes ranging from less than 10 microvolts to over 100 microvolts. Required bandwidth for adequately handling the EEG signal is from below 1 Hz to over 100 Hz. EEG waveforms. Clinical EEG measurements are obtained from electrodes placed on the surface of the scalp. These waveforms represent a very gross type of summation of potentials. These potentials originate from an extremely large number of neurons in the vicinity of the electrodes. In clinical practice, a standard pattern called the 10-20 electrode placement system is generally used. The 10-20 EEG electrode placement is shown in the picture. This standard is so named because electrode spacing is based on intervals of 10 and 20% of the distance between specified points on the scalp. Electrodes. For clinical measurements, surface or subdermal needle electrodes are used. The ground reference electrode is often a metal clip on the earlobe. A suitable electrolyte paste or jelly is used with the electrodes to enhance coupling of the ionic potentials to the input of the measuring device. Resistance of the path through the scalp between electrodes must be kept low to reduce interference and effect of electrode movement. The EEG machine or the electroencephalograph is shown in the picture. Most clinical electroencephalographs provide the capability of simultaneously recording EEG signals from several regions of the brain. For each signal, a complete channel of instrumentation is required. Thus, electroencephalographs having as many as 16 channels are available. The EEG machine. The electroencephalograph records microvolt level signals, so it requires sufficient amplifiers. There is a readout or recording device. EEG waveforms. Each type of EEG waveform controls a variety of states of consciousness ranging from sleep to active thinking. Below 3.5 Hz is called delta wave, 3.5 to 8 Hz is theta wave, 8 to 13 Hz is the alpha wave, above 13 Hz is the beta wave. Above 40 Hz are the gamma waves. It represents higher mental activity including perception, problem solving and consciousness. 13 to 39 Hz are beta waves. It represents active busy thinking, active processing, active concentration, and cognition. 7 to 13 Hz are alpha waves obtained for calm, relaxed, yet alert state. 4 to 7 Hz are theta waves obtained while deep meditation or relaxation or rapid eye movement or REM sleep. Less than 4 Hz are delta waves obtained for deep dreamless sleep and loss of body awareness. The typical brain waves like the delta wave, theta wave, alpha wave, beta wave, and gamma wave are shown in the picture. Typical EEG patterns for sleep are shown in the picture. Biofeedback. Experiments on biofeedback have shown that under certain conditions, people can learn to control their EEG patterns by feedback to some extent. Evoked responses. This is a measure of the disturbance in the EEG pattern that results from external stimuli such as a flash of light or a click of sound. Applications of EEG. EEG studies are used for epileptic seizure studies and tumor studies, and also for psychological research purposes. References for this video is Biomedical Instrumentation and Measurement by Leslie Cromwell and Co. Thank you.